Mhm. Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning,
morning.
ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
this
morning,
is
ma'am.
Manoj class.
Good morning, class. Yes, children.
Ma'am, I have some doubts in history.
Okay, history chapter 1.
No, ma'am, Russian Revolution.
Okay, second chapter. Fine. You can always ask.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Let everyone
Ma'am,
come.
we'll be studying geography or history.
बेटा मनोजस अभी रुको, अभी हम बताते हैं. Let everyone join in. Let me see what is the strength of the class, because it is a
And ma'am, in the
combined class.
September,
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Saksham.
ma'am, in the September exams that will be held in September, ma'am, you will give both the chapters, French Revolution, Russian Revolution.
Beta, I think I will give you only one chapter of history, that is Russian Revolution.
And ma'am, of geography,
2 chapters, first and second.
okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, if the half yearly will start in the September, then when the UT2 will start?
Beta, half-yearly exams will be in the mid of September. That is either the either the third week of September, right, or the last week of September.
Ma'am, then UT2?
UT2 somewhere in November, or directly your term 1.
Okay, ma'am.
Right?
Hey, Leher.
Yes, Aryan. But in a second, I'll be taking the attendance as well. Right? So,
Good morning.
good morning. Divyanka Verma, can I have your camera open, please? Can Divyanka hear me? Yes, Divyanka.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hanji Paurush.
Ma'am, I have a small doubt in history, ma'am. The February Revolution in Petrograd, ma'am.
Okay, please ask.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, there is one line given in it. Politicians spoke out against the measure. Ma'am, here politicians is used for which side, ma'am? Ma'am, it's for the king side or ma'am people side?
Just a second, Paurush, just a second. Which line you're talking about?
Ma'am, there is a line given in the last paragraph. Ma'am, second line. Politicians spoke out against the measure.
Against the... No, you are talking about which page number?
Ma'am, page number 35, the February Revolution in Petrograd.
Okay.
Ma'am, it's last paragraph, second line.
Politicians spoke out against the measure. Which measure? The measure of dispersing and that curfew which was imposed.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, one more thing. Ma'am,
Yes.
here left bank is used for what?
What is used for what?
Ma'am, what is this left bank?
Beta, they are talking about the river sides.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Shiv. Left and the
Okay,
right
ma'am.
sides of left and the right banks.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, may I ask my doubts?
Yes, Saksham.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, on page number 26.
Saksham, एक मिनट रुको, Saksham, एक मिनट रुको. बेटा, because 2 classes are there and strength is approximately 50. Let us do one worksheet.
Ma'am, today we can do oral revision.
Ma'am,
we can do quiz.
we can do.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, we can do.
हाँ, आप बताओ, history, geography, whatever you want.
Ma'am, history. Ma'am, history. Ma'am, geography.
Ma'am,
chapter 2.
Ma'am, history.
Ma'am,
We can
geography.
do voting. Ma'am, geography voting.
Geography
Ma'am,
chapter 2.
geography.
Geography chapter 2.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Geography chapter 2.
Right. I'll just share the worksheet with you all.
Ma'am, will it be oral or written?
It will be written, beta.
Ma'am, quiz.
Ma'am, can it be oral?
Are doing worksheet?
Yes, we are doing worksheet, beta. And I'll take the attendance. And by the time I'm sharing, you can get your geography notebooks with you so that you can directly do the worksheet in the notebook with today's date. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to send that in the group.
Of course.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, heading will be revision test.
Heading will be, of course, revision. Write today's date.
Ma'am, have we done drainage question answers?
No, we have not done.
Ma'am, we have done.
Ma'am, we have done.
Ma'am, we have done.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
flow
Ma'am, we
charts
have
are left.
done.
Ma'am, only
Drainage.
flow charts are left.
Sorry, third chapter of history. No, we have
Yes,
done
ma'am.
everything.
Flow charts.
We have
Yes.
done everything.
Yes, ma'am. First chapter of
We have
geography.
done everything in that chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. We have not done.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, some flow charts are left, ma'am.
Only the flow
Yes,
charts are left. Rest everything is done, I believe.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए, I am sharing the screen with you all.
Ma'am, we were doing the flow chart of Krishna basin.
We were doing, हाँ, but अभी flow chart, 9th भी flow chart हमने कर लिया है आपके साथ drainage chapter का.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
drainage chapter के सारे कर लिए हैं.
Yes,
No, ma'am.
नहीं, I
No,
don't.
ma'am. I thought.
Ma'am, we have not done all.
Ma'am, we have not done.
कितने कर लिए हैं बताओ.
Ma'am, 3 we have done.
Okay. And what about 9C?
Ma'am, we have done 3. If ma'am, we have also. Ma'am, we have to complete the third.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we were about to complete the third flow chart. We were on part D of third flow chart of Krishna River.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, Lake's flow chart is also left.
चलो अब तो फिलहाल हम ये कर ले रहे हैं. Let us do this worksheet. Fine.
Unable to see
बेटा
the screen.
हाँ
Ma'am, I'm unable to see your screen.
I have not yet shared beta. Let me share it. Can you see the screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
नहीं बेटा ऐसे
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
है.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, we have to write only the answers.
हाँ question number and only the answers.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है.
Ma'am, please tell the syllabus of our UTs.
बेटा अभी बता देंगे, पहले डेट पता चल जाए, सब चीज पता चल जाए, है ना.
Ma'am, of what? Ma'am, of what?
बेटा of half yearlies they are talking about.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, they will be in
One chapter will
September
come.
or November.
हाँ बेटा in September.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, UT or half yearly?
बेटा half yearlies.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम सो इन एंड ऑफ द ईयर मैम टर्म 2 ही होगा ना, एनुअल तो नहीं होगा.
नहीं 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 टर्म 1 ही होगा केवल बेटा.
नो मैम टर्म 2 ही होगा ना, एनुअल तो नहीं होगा एग्जाम.
Ma'am, in an
एनुअल एग्जाम्स आपके टर्म 2 होंगे ना, वो एनुअल हो जाएंगे.
ओके मैम.
Ma'am, फिर मैम टर्म 2 से पहले
Only one chapter will come now.
What?
Ma'am, only one chapter will come.
That whatever the syllabus is given for term 1, only those chapters will be there. चलिए.
Ma'am, please scroll down.
Ma'am, please show the second question.
हाँ जी.
Yes, ma'am.
इसमें तो आंसर सब मार्क करेंगे. चलो
Ma'am, for 9th also, board will prepare our term 1, term 2 exam.
yes.
Ma'am, or school management.
अच्छा चलो एक काम करते हैं, हम क्वेश्चंस बोलते हैं, आप आंसर्स लिखो केवल. ठीक है. आई विल नॉट गिव यू ऑप्शंस आल्सो. राइट क्लास.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am, because ma'am there is answer also.
And
हाँ,
there are
answers-
also, yes, ma'am.
Answers are also given over here. So I will only be reading out the questions. या एक और वर्कशीट है उसको देख लेते हैं,
मैम यू कैन मैम वर्बली टेल अस.
है ना. चलिए फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपका हो ही गया होगा.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
According to
ma'am.
the theory of plate tectonics, the Earth's crust is formed of how many major plates? There are no options. You simply write the answers.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
The question is, according to the theory of plate tectonics, the Earth's crust is formed of how many major plates?
Ma'am, done.
Done?
Ma'am, done. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Question number 3, sorry. What are lesser Himalayas known as?
Ma'am,
What
what are?
are lesser Himalayas known as?
Ma'am, I think we've done this worksheet before.
Akka?
Ma'am, have you shared the screen?
Which of the following was not a part of ancient landmass of Gondwana land?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have done this worksheet before
We have done
also.
this
Yes,
question.
ma'am, because I have written the revisions,
Yes,
so
ma'am,
the
we have
questions
done.
are same.
Okay, so I'm
Yes,
doing
ma'am.
you another one. Another one I am doing.
Ma'am, you are sharing the screen?
Let me see if I could wait a second.
Ma'am, we aren't doing this.
नहीं ये वाला करा हुआ है बेटा.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have written 3 answers. Ma'am, the next worksheet question we have to continue from this page only.
नहीं उसको आप 9th बी के साथ हमने ये वर्कशीट नहीं करी है ना,
No, ma'am.
तो ये हम
Yes, ma'am.
leave one page. Again I am reading out the question. The northernmost range of the Himalayas is known as dash. The northernmost range of the Himalayas is known as dash. You have to fill the blank.
Ma'am, I have to write only answers.
Only answers, yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, in the rough copy.
Ma'am, what we have to mention as a heading?
जॉग बेटा उसी पेज से स्टार्ट कर लो.
Ma'am, we have to do in rough copy.
नहीं बेटा ज्योग्राफी नोटबुक.
Ma'am, is this the fourth question?
The one that you have done previously was which number? I don't remember exactly.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
it was
third.
third.
ma'am, third.
Now this one is the fourth one. This is the fourth one.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Remember, I have continued this from the first.
चलो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, कोई परेशानी नहीं है. The northernmost range of the Himalayas is known as dash.
Ma'am, done.
Done. Second.
Yes, ma'am,
Ye-
please proceed.
हाँ.
How many questions are there?
In this, there are I think.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Second. Let me check. $22.
Ma'am, in the worksheet, we have to only write the answer, no?
हाँ. Question number and answer.
Ma'am, all are MCQs.
These are MCQs, yes, but it will take a lot of time in dictating the options. So I am doing it as fill in the blanks. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
The Kangra
Okay,
and
ma'am.
Kullu Valley are located in dash.
Ma'am, what? Please repeat.
The Kangra and Kullu Valley are located in dash.
Ma'am, this is
Ma'am,
the
it
second question.
was not clear. Ma'am, please repeat.
The Kangra and Kullu Valley are located in dash.
Ma'am, this is the second question.
Yes.
Ma'am, you have to name the state or the range.
You have to name the range only, of course.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question once more?
The Kangra and Kullu Valley are located in dash.
Ma'am, proceed on.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's just one word.
These are one words only.
It will not take time.
Third one, shall I dictate?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Third question is, Majuli is a riverine island located in the river dash.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Majuli is a riverine island located in the river dash.
Ma'am, we have to name
Ma'am,
the
can you
river.
please repeat again?
Just a second. Majuli is a riverine island located in the river dash.
Ma'am, we have to only mention the name of that river, na?
Yes, only name the river.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Then
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, next one.
next is Dudhwa National Park is located in the state of dash.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Dudhwa National Park is located in the state of dash.
Ma'am, which national park?
Dudhwa.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, proceed on.
Ma'am, I want to do.
I'm done.
Done? Okay, next is the soil containing calcareous deposits is locally known as dash.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, done.
Done? The question is the soil
Ma'am,
please
please
repeat.
repeat.
the soil containing calcareous deposits is locally known as dash.
Yes, ma'am, proceed on. Oh my God.
Next, the highest peak in the Eastern Ghats is dash.
Ma'am, what?
The highest peak in the Eastern Ghat is dash.
Ma'am, done.
Done?
Ma'am, please repeat.
Just a second.
Am I
The
not
highest-
remembering the spelling of that? I know
कोई
the
नहीं, आप
answer,
लिख
but
लो, स्पेलिंग हम बाद में चेक कर लेंगे. The highest peak in the Eastern Ghat is dash.
Okay.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Jaisalmer is in dash. The state where Jaisalmer is located.
ma'am, proceed on.
Done.
Done?
Ma'am, done.
Done, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then Barkans are found in dash regions. Barkans are found in dash regions.
Ma'am, please repeat again.
Barkans are found in dash regions. Done.
And research can.
मैम हमें वो पर्टिकुलर फिजिकल फीचर ही जो बताने हैं इंडिया का जहाँ पे वो पाए जाते हैं.
Yes.
Ma'am, you can tell the options for this question.
नहीं, ऑप्शंस नहीं बताएंगे, ये तो आपको पता होना चाहिए बारकन्स जो है क्या होते हैं और कहाँ पाए जाते हैं.
Ma'am,
Yes.
physical feature. Ma'am, we have to tell the physical feature.
हाँ, you have to tell the physical features. Which physical feature?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, please tell the next one.
Ma'am,
Northern
please
Bar-
repeat the
Please
question.
repeat one more time.
Barkans are found in dash regions. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is the northern part of the western coast is called the dash. The northern part of the western coast is called the dash.
Ma'am, can you
Ma'am,
please
please
repeat again?
repeat.
Please repeat.
The northern part of the western coast. Western coast का जो northern part है is called by which name? That name you have to write.
Ma'am, till now you have said 9 MCQs, right?
This is the 9th one that you are doing. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta Vishesh.
Ma'am, by mistake, I have written this worksheet in my history notebook.
कोई बात नहीं.
Ma'am, should I continue in that only?
आप उसी में कंटिन्यू कर लो, बाद में पेज को स्टिक कर दीजिएगा ज्योग्राफी में निकाल के. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
Next question is Lake Chilika lies
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
Lake Chilika lies in the state of dash.
Ma'am, done.
Done.
Yes, ma'am.
11th, a landmass bounded by sea on 3 sides is referred to as dash.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, please repeat again.
A landmass bounded by the sea on 3 sides is referred to as dash.
I'm done.
Ma'am, done.
12th one. Which
Ma'am,
island?
done.
Which islands of India are called coral islands?
Ma'am, please repeat.
Which islands of India are called coral islands?
Ma'am, can we just write the name?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am, done.
In which divisions
Ma'am,
of
what is coral?
अब तो इस समय नहीं बताएंगे पौरुष, इसके बाद बता देंगे.
Okay, ma'am.
Lakshadweep Island.
Who is this?
Hey, ma'am, this is called cheating.
This is actually cheating. Okay. Next is just a second. Huh?
Ma'am, last 10 minutes are left. Ma'am, can you clear my doubt?
I check. बेटा डाउट पूछोगे, डाउट बाद में कर लें, ये वर्कशीट पूरी हो जाएगी अपनी.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है, या सक्षम ऐसा करना,
Ma'am, total 14 are done.
मेरे पर्सनल विंडो पे आप अपना डाउट जो है डाल के भेज देना. ठीक है, आई आंसर.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, 14 कर लिए हमने कि 13 करे हैं?
Ma'am, we have to
Ma'am,
do
14 is
13.
done.
No, 12
No,
are
ma'am.
done. 12 are done.
Ma'am, we have to
Ma'am.
do the 13.
हाँ.
Excuse me, ma'am.
मनोजस आपने वो 2 भी इंक्लूड कर लिए होंगे जो उसमें.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. मैं पहले के 3 मैंने include कर लिए.
कोई नहीं. तरन बोलो बेटा.
Excuse me, ma'am.
तरन बोलो.
Yes, ma'am, me too.
Ma'am, please tell me 10th one. Ma'am, 11th one.
11th one. रुको एक मिनट.
Yes, ma'am.
11th है land mass bounded by sea on 3 sides is referred
Ma'am,
to as
ma'am,
dash.
10th. Ma'am, 10th. This is done, ma'am. 10th one.
Lake Chilka lies in the state of dash.
Okay, ma'am.
13th question है, in which division of the Himalayas are the famous valleys of Kashmir, Kangra and Kullu located?
Ma'am, please repeat.
In which division of the Himalayas are the famous valleys of Kashmir, Kangra and Kullu located?
Ma'am, I think we have done this.
No,
Ma'am, we have done this.
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा वो अलग था, ये अलग है, क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
14th question,
Ma'am, which valleys?
Kashmir, Kangra and Kullu. Which is the highest peak of Himalaya in India? Dash is the highest peak of Himalaya in India. Done? Done,
Ma'am,
class?
can you please tell the question again?
Dash is the highest peak of Himalaya in India.
Ma'am, this
Ma'am,
is
can we
15th.
write in short? Ma'am, can we write in short?
हाँ बिल्कुल. 15th, the Himalayan uplift out of the Tethys Sea and subsidence of the northern flank of the peninsular plateau resulted in the formation of large basin. Which physical division of India was formed due to the filling up of this depression? I am reading out again. The Himalayan uplift out of the Tethys Sea and the subsidence of the northern flank of the peninsular plateau resulted in the formation of a large basin. Name the physical division of India which was formed due to the filling up of this depression.
Ma'am, can you repeat it?
Ma'am, थोड़ा मैम धीरे-धीरे बोलिए मैम.
The Himalayan uplift out of the Tethys Sea and subsidence of the northern flank of the peninsular plateau resulted in the formation of a large basin. Name the physical division of India which was formed due to filling up of this depression.
Ma'am,
Yes. Arushi bolo.
ma'am, done.
Done. Which of the following? Name the oldest landmass of the Indian physical divisions. Name the oldest landmass of the Indian physical divisions.
Ma'am of India ना.
हाँ बेटा इंडिया का ही obviously.
Ma'am, done.
Next is the longitudinal valleys lying between Lesser Himalayas and Shivaliks are known as dash. Again, I am reading. The longitudinal valleys lying between Lesser Himalayas and Shivaliks are known as dash.
Ma'am, please repeat again.
The
Ma'am, we have to tell
longitudinal.
both of west and east.
Hmm?
Ma'am, we have to tell both of west and east.
नहीं. The longitudinal valleys lying between Lesser Himalayas and Shivaliks are known as dash.
Ma'am, done.
Next.
Ma'am, we have to tell both in west and east.
नहीं बेटा, एक ही है ये, ईस्ट वेस्ट का, ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट का कुछ नहीं है इसमें. लेसर हिमालयस और शिवालिक्स के बीच में जो चीज पड़ती है उसको हम क्या बुलाते हैं? लॉन्गिट्यूडनल वैलीज को. Then the two hills located in the southeast of Eastern Ghats are dash and dash. I repeat, two hills located in the southeast of Eastern Ghats are dash and dash.
Ma'am, can you repeat again?
Yes. The two hills located in the southeast of Eastern Ghats are dash and dash.
Okay.
Ma'am, of Eastern Ghats.
Yes.
I'm done.
Done. Then next is the other name for lesser Himalayas are dash.
Ma'am, please repeat
Ma'am,
again.
we have done this.
कोई बात नहीं. The other name of lesser Himalayas are dash.
I'm done.
Done.
मैम मेरे को मैम दो नाम में कंफ्यूजन है.
Next question. Geologically, which of the following physiographic division of India is supposed to be one of the most stable land blocks? I repeat, geologically, which physiographic division of India is the most stable land blocks?
Ma'am, done.
Next, from the point of view of geology, which physiographic division of India is considered to be the most unstable zone?
Ma'am, please repeat.
I repeat, from the point of view of geology, which physiographic division of India is considered to be the most unstable zone?
Ma'am, in the previous one, we have